Hi, good morning. It is Kat right here. So today the video I'll be showing you is my daily care for my chickens. So we have a morning routine and a night routine. I do the morning and my son Shiloh does the night. So normally I wake up and do this at about 6 o'clock, sometimes a little earlier than that in the morning, but right now it's about 8 o'clock. I'm doing this later because today is Monday. It's my Monday off. I get every other Monday off of work, which is, oh yeah, it's wonderful. I really enjoy that. But 8 o'clock, the sun is coming out. It's getting much lighter, and this camera does much better when it's lighter. It doesn't do well in the dark. So let's get to this. So with it being winter time, we leave our water dish outside. The water freezes every night. So it's Shiloh brings in the water dish. It's kind of an old doggy dish. We have a much better one in the summertime. But he brings this in. Then I fill it up in the morning and take them some fresh water. Fresh water for the chickens. So with it being winter time, it is really cold outside, so I got my coat here. I leave it hanging on the chair. So put on the coat and go outside. Of course, can't forget the water. So we have these boots that kind of just hang out here. Shiloh and I both put them on in this winter season and even the summertime. So we got the boots on, let's go. So here's our backyard. There's a huge tree that fell over. Let's go down our staircase. We're by our fireplace. There's all the leaves that we bagged over the fall. Just been putting those in the garbage one bag at a time. Loop around here. Now that's a big project we got for us. Now that tree's fallen over, we gotta cut it up. So here's the chicken run that we built. Just go in there. It's the barn where the chickens live, and we'll go in there. When you open the door, those chickens come out pretty quickly. They don't like to go out on the snow, but they just stick around here right by the door entrance. So we keep the water right here on the cinder blocks. Turn on the light. There you go, chickies. There's some water. This big tote is where we keep the food, and then we'll just put a little extra food in their dish. Here you go, chickies. There's some water. I mean some food. I mean food. That's food. Go with your water. So with it being winter time and the chickens really just kind of hang out right here, this little area, the entranceway, gets really lots of poop. So we'll just have to scrape that off a little bit. Just takes a little bit in the morning, just clean it off. There we go, now it's clean. So we're all done taking care of the chickens for the morning, so it didn't take very long. Now we just gotta go inside, Then we'll let the chickens roam out here, can get some nice cool fresh air. Then Shiloh will come take care of them this evening. Well, actually I'll be doing it because I'll be showing you what has to be done. So I had a good, nice, relaxing day because it is, like I said earlier, my Monday off. So I just do a lot of stuff around the house. A lot of fun, work hard, play hard, did some projects. But I'm out here in the evening doing this a little bit earlier than I would have. Or I should say Shiloh would have, but just so you can see what goes on. Once again, we come down those stairs. We come over here. We don't have to carry the water dish with us going to the chicken coop, just away. So the chickens have just been roaming around here all day. Come in here. So the first thing we do is we collect the eggs. We got 2 eggs. Usually in the winter time we get anywhere between 2 to 4, and sometimes usually we get a little bit more. They don't lay as many eggs when it's cold. Then we'll grab the water dish and go inside. Oh, forgot, gotta turn off the light. We definitely want to keep this closed every night because we get raccoons and I don't want my chickens being killed by raccoons. So let's go back in the house. I'm gonna take off my boots. We'll just leave those there. See, I have this cool dish that I normally take out there so I don't have to try to carry the eggs. Then I put them in the fridge. I have a little container in here. Then I will, once I get a couple more, I'll wash them and put them in the egg carton. So that is the daily care of my chickens. Very, very simple. Just gotta do the morning, gotta do the night. I love having my chickens. I have about 6 chickens. I love having the fresh eggs and just, chickens are just fun. So remember, work hard, play hard, give this movie a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me your thoughts. Do you have chickens and do you like your chickens?